Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to see all your assigned tasks on Monday.com. First, go to Monday.com and click on the My Work option found in the left sidebar. In the My Work section, you will see a personalized view of all tasks assigned to you across different boards and workspaces. Tasks are typically organized by due date, making it easy to prioritize and manage your workload. Review the list of assigned tasks, including their due date, statuses, and any additional details. You can click on a task to open it and view more information or make updates as needed. You can further refine your view by using filters and sorting options available in the My Work section. Filters allow you to narrow down tasks based on specific criteria, such as status or priority. By accessing the My Work section on Monday.com, you can easily see all tasks assigned to you across different boards and workspaces, helping you stay organized and focused on your priorities. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.